Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I Chaitanya Vyas welcome you in junior KG class. Children, in previous sessions of numeracy space you learnt numbers 1 to 19. Today we are going to learn new number 2020 and number name 1. But before that, let's revise numbers 1 to 19.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Children, today we are going to learn new number 2020.
2, 0, 20. Now count how many sketch pens are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20.
Now we will write number 2020 in our workbook page. This is our workbook page number 8080. Write down today's date over here. Today's date is 2/8/28.1 to 12.2020. T-O. T means tens, O means ones. We will write 2 below tens and 0 below ones. Make a curve, go slant, slipping line. C curve, reverse C curve. Curve, go slant, slipping line. C curve, reverse C curve. Make a curve, go slant, slipping line. C curve, reverse C curve. Make a curve, go slant, slipping line. Zero. Curve, go slant, slipping line. C curve, reverse C curve. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Curve, go slant, slipping line. 2, C curve, reverse C curve. 0. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. This is how you have to complete whole page. Children, in last session you learned number name 0. Today we are going to learn new number name 1. 0 means nothing.
Number 0. 0 means nothing. Z-E-R-O 0. Number 1. O-N-E 1. How many sun is here? Yes, 1.
Children, now we will write number name 1 in our workbook page. Number name 1. This is our workbook page number 107. Write down today's date over here. Today's date is 2/8/28.1 to 12.20 O-N-E-1. Now we will trace here. Make a standing line, slipping line, standing line, slipping line. O-N-E-1. Make a C curve, reverse C curve and join it. O. Now standing line, go up, make a curve, come down and slant line, C curve, E, O and E1. C curve, reverse C curve, standing line, go up, make a curve, come down and E, O and E1. O and E1. O and E1. This is how you have to write this side. O-N-E-1. Okay children, bye. Now we will meet tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself.
In Maths Homework Book, page number 2323, please complete number 20.